Wait, hold up. Wait, please put my car down. Please put my car down.
It's on the list, baby.
Please put my car down. Oh my God. Dude, hold on. Oh my God, please put my car down. Dude, listen, I'm literally going to pay him Friday. I get paid Friday, please. Please, oh my God. Oh my God. You really about to take my car? Oh my God, dude, no, please. Please put my car down. I'm about to fucking cry. Please put my car down. Oh my fucking God, dude. Dad, please put my car down. Oh my God. I don't even know what the fuck to do right now. Bro, oh my God. And dude, what the fuck is all this shit? What the fuck is this shit? Please put my car down, dude. Like, I'm literally, oh my God. Oh my God. No! Oh my God! Oh my God! Dude, I was literally gonna pay you Friday. Like, this nigga is dead ass taking my car right in front of me, bro. Oh my God! No! I'm literally paying for shit about this fucking car. Like, please put my fucking car down, bro. Oh my God. Oh my God. No! Put my fucking car down. What is this? I lost this shit. What the fuck? Oh my God. I'm on 55th, bro. I'm on 55th. Oh my God. I have to do this fucking BNB. Oh my God. Oh my God, no! No, put my car down. It's oh, bro. It's cold as fuck out here. You really about to take my car?
Got to.
Like, I ain't even never seen my car get towed like this. Like, what are you doing? Oh my God.
I'll be out your way in 1 second, bro.
Oh my God. Come get me, bro. Oh my God. This is crazy.